What's up, you guys? My name is Nia, and today I'm going to share with you my tidy up routine that has helped me keep up with life's everyday messes. I find that taking a few minutes throughout the day to tidy up reduces the amount of cleaning I have to do after a long day. As I clean, I'll be sharing my favorite products from Paperbird, which is an affordable household line sold exclusively at ShopRite. So I'm starting off by cleaning up my living room from the morning shuffle, and then to freshen things up, I'm going to spray my sofa and ottoman down with Paperbird's fabric refresher. While that's drying, this is the perfect time to throw in a load of laundry using my favorite lavender laundry detergent. It will have your clothes smelling so fresh. Heading on over to the bathroom because it needed a little TLC. To wipe the sink, counter, and toilet down, I'm using Paperbird's multi-purpose cleaner with bleach. I always like to use the heavy-duty stuff when cleaning my bathroom. A little later in the day, there is a load of laundry that needs to be folded and put away before I head to the kitchen to get that cleaned up before making dinner. Thankfully, this day there was only a few dishes in the sink, so to wash them, I'm using Paperbird's dish soap in orange, their latex gloves, and the thermal scrubber. Now that the kitchen is clean and dishes are washed, tonight we're going to be using Paperbird's everyday plates and heavy-duty silverware to make life easier. If you're looking for quality products at an affordable price, check out Paperbird, sold exclusively at ShopRite.